I did a video on the Tecno Camon 50 Pro and so many people stormed my comment section saying that the Tecno copied Samsung. I don't know who copied who, but what I know is that Tecno was released way much earlier than the mighty S26 Ultra. Today we are going to review the Samsung S26 Ultra, and from the look of things, the phone has come with much crazy features. Do you guys remember the privacy screen protectors? The privacy screen protectors ensured that the screen is only visible to persons directly in front of the screen, and those viewing the screen from the side cannot see anything, and thus protecting your personal privacy. Now, the good news is that Samsung has introduced the new privacy display technology on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This is how it works. It dims part of the screen when viewing from an angle. It's actually a hardware breakthrough, with Samsung able to dim out specific pixels of the screen so they appear black when viewed from the side. This is great for keeping out peeping passerby on public commutes or even in public places, and it works perfectly with the software too, being able to dim notifications, pop-ups and passwords entries so your info stays secure. Privacy display can be toggled manually, or you can entrust the phone to automatically enable it when you are on the go. Samsung might have delivered the most complete Android flagship of 2026. From the moment you look at it, this phone screams premium. It features a refined Ultra design that is slimmer than before at just 7.9mm thick, while it is still packing a large 5000 mAh battery and built-in S Pen. Weighing 214 grams, it feels solid and durable in the hand. Samsung uses Gorilla Armor 2 on the front, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, and an aluminum frame for added strength. You also get an IP68 water and dust resistance, so it's built to survive everyday accidents. The new color options like cobalt violet and silver shadow add a fresh, classy look to an already iconic design. In the box, we only get the phone itself. For the chargers and earphones, you source them independently. So if you are planning to buy the S26 Ultra, make sure you also have the budget to buy the charger and the headphone set. The display is one of the biggest highlights of the Galaxy S26 Ultra. It features a massive 6.9-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2x panel with sharp 1440 by 3120 resolution and an adaptive 120Hz refresh rate. Everything feels incredibly smooth, whether you are gaming, scrolling through social media or watching videos. What truly stands out is the 2600 nits peak brightness, making it one of the brightest displays available. Outdoor visibility is excellent and HDR content looks stunning thanks to HDR10 Plus support. The anti-reflective DX coating further improves clarity for reduced glare. Meeting this display is an absolute powerhouse for media consumption. It also comes with privacy display technology that helps dim out the screen when viewed from an angle. It's actually a hardware breakthrough, with Samsung able to dim out specific pixels of the screen so they appear black when viewed from the side. This is great for keeping out peeping passerbys on public commutes or even public places, and it works in tandems with the software too, being able to dim notification pop-ups, password entry so your info stays secure. Privacy display can be toggled manually, or even you can entrust the phone to automatically enable it when you are on the go. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, built on a cutting-edge 3nm processor with clock speed reaching up to 4.74 GHz and paired with Adreno 840 GPU. Performance is simply top tier. Gaming feels effortless, multitasking is seamless, and AI-powered tasks run faster and more efficiently than ever. The phone ships with Android 16 and Samsung One UI 8.5, and Samsung is promising an incredible 7 years of major Android updates. That level of software support means this device is built to last well into the next decade, making it a serious long-term investment. When it comes to camera, Samsung continues to dominate. The Galaxy S26 Ultra features a quad camera setup led by a 200 megapixel main sensor with a wide aperture for improved low light performance. You also get a 10 megapixel 3 times telephoto lens, a 50 megapixel powerhouse with 5 times periscope zoom lens, and a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. This setup gives you incredible flexibility for detailed close-ups to sharp long-distance zoom shots. The 200 megapixel sensor captures an impressive level of detail, and Samsung image processing ensures vibrant colors and strong dynamic range. Video capabilities are just as impressive with support of 8K recording at 30 frames per second, 4K at 120 frames per second, and 10-bit HDR with HDR10 plus support. Stereo sound recording and advanced stabilization features make it an excellent choice for content creators. On the front, the 12 megapixel selfie camera features dual pixel autofocus and supports 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second with HDR10 plus. Whether you are taking selfies, video calling, or vlogging, the front camera delivers sharp and well-balanced results. Audio is handled by stereo speakers with high bitrate support, although there is no headphone jack, which is expected at this level. Battery life remains solid with a 5000 mAh battery capacity, but charging speed have been improved. The S26 Ultra supports 60 watts wired charging, capable of reaching 75% in just 30 minutes. You will also get 25 watts wireless charging and reverse wireless charging for powering accessories. While it may not be the fastest charging phone on the market, it strikes a good balance between speed and battery longevity. In terms of connectivity and extras, the Galaxy S26 Ultra checks every box. It supports Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, ultra wideband, USB-C 3.2 with DisplayPort, and Samsung DeX, including wireless DeX for a desktop-like experience. The ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor remains fast and secure, and overall there is virtually no compromise in features. Starting at around $1,299, the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is undoubtedly a premium design with premium price tag. However, it is designed for users who want the absolute best Samsung has to offer. Whether it's a top-tier performance, unmatched camera versatility, long-term software support, or the productivity boost of the S Pen, it may not be a revolutionary leap over its predecessor, but it refines and perfects nearly every aspect of the Ultra experience. If you are looking for one of the most powerful and future-proof smartphones of 2026, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is easily at the top of the conversation. That wraps up everything that you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Samsung didn't completely reinvent the Ultra this year, but they refined it, strengthened it, and made it more future-proof than ever. From the brighter 2600 nit display to the powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and that versatile 200 megapixel quad camera system, this is a phone built for power users who want the absolute best. Now, the big question is, would you spend almost $1,300 on the S26 Ultra? Or are you waiting for the price drop? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next comparison and camera test. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.